Meanwhile, President Aquino hopes to persuade Secretary Roxas to stay a little longer at the DILG. He also remains optimistic for a Roxas-Grace Poe partnership to ensure that gains achieved by the current administration would be sustained in the next regime. Rocky Ignacio with the details.
President Aquino will definitely join DILG Secretary and the administration's presidential standard-bearer Mar Roxas in the campaign to institutionalize the straight path of governance. In his interview with media during the 111th anniversary of the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the president said while doing his work to serve the people, the gains of reform should not be put to waste.
Well, kailangan kong patakbuhin yung bansa, di ba? Pero at the same time, yung partido po namin kasi, ilang beses ko na rin nasabi, lumalayo na tayo doon sa personality politics. Ang hinahabol natin, magkaroon tayong issue-based or platform-based politics. Ang idea nun, maski sino maupo, may maasahan tayo kung ano yung direksyon, ano yung kalidad ng trabaho. So yun ang pinipilit natin mabuo. So hindi naman pwedeng sabihin isang speech lang yun, dahil buto, di ba, the majority of the Filipinos will decide our future. So kailangan naman tayo makitulong. Kung dumating na tayo sa ganitong punto, wala yata sense na bigla na akong aawat. Biglang hindi ko na-advocacy yung ginagawa natin ngayon.
After getting the presidential endorsement, Roxas submitted his resignation to the president. But President Aquino earlier said that although there are several persons that are being considered to replace DILG Secretary Roxas, he might ask Roxas to stay a little bit longer to ensure a smooth transition.
Well, there are several names, but at the same time, I might even prevail on him to stay in the post a little longer to finish a lot of the things that are being done. For instance, sa PNP, yung kanilang shoot, scoot, and communicate na pag-upgrade ng kanilang facility sa equipment, etc. is ongoing. Nagpa-follow up ako doon sa informal set issue, lalo sa Metro Manila. Yung marami talaga trabaho doon na, again, no, ang konsepto, wag natin patagalin yung pagdurusa ng ating mga kababayan. Kung sa transition, madadagdagan naman ng time, medyo major interest ko yun. So I'd like him to finish a lot of the things that can be finished, no, before leaving the post and having the transition period.
President Aquino also lashed out at reports that government funds might be used for the Roxas campaign.
Parang ano yun eh, even at this early, government funds will be used. So, tanong ko lang doon, no, yung have we ever done that? No? Bakit doon tayo bumalik muna? No? Bago ka mag-akusa, meron ba kami tradisyon na ginagawa gano'n? In fact, I don't have all of the expense reports with me right now, no? But I really made it a point. For instance, in 2013, I think they leveled that same criticism. So, if I have a function, for instance, to inaugurate a bridge, no, the PSG was with me. If it's happened in 2013, may campaign, iiwan ko yung PSG. No, magagalit kaya sa akin ng taong bayan na pwede ako lumakad sa ibang lugar na kasama yung mga ahensya ng gobyerno. At pag naging somewhat political, kailangan ko iwan sila lahat. At pag may nangyari doon, siguro naman, criticism ko, irresponsible naman ako ulit. So, pa tayo lalagay?
Meanwhile, the selection process for the running mate of Roxas continues. Reports said the administration party still wants Senator Grace Poe as Roxas tandem for next year's presidential elections.
Doon sa hinahangad, di ba? Gusto na. She has stated it in several meetings. Chis Escudero has also stated the same thing. Mar Roxas has stated the same thing. We want what is happening to continue. No, and hopefully we can get to on board one route towards this direction. But we recognize that there might be some differences that are not substantial in the sense that where do you want to go to. No, but perhaps that might not be, right now might not be the right moment to fully coalesce. We're still hoping. No? We still want to have that very unified group that will preserve the coalition as much as possible, that can ensure the victory of the agenda. No? Kasi babalik ako yung tanong, nung may lumapit at I think she summarized it in a very nice way. Sabi niya, has everything that has been gained at risk because of one election? Ngayon, pag yung palagi namin na majority sang-ayon sa amin, pero pag naghati tayo na naghati, baka naman maging manipis yung lamang. At doon mga anib yung lahat ng pinaghirapan natin.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.